In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace homepage. You can do this by logging into your account and navigating to the main dashboard. It's your central hub where all your website options and controls are located. From here, next up, you're going to click on the Website option. This will take you to an area where you can manage various aspects of your site. This is like your website's control room that lets you tailor certain details and brings more focus to what truly matters. Once you've reached the website section, what you need to do next is click on Pages. This is where you'll handle everything related to the different pages of your website. Clicking Pages will open a new view that shows a list of all the pages associated with your site. You'll notice an option to add new content here, which conveniently leads us to our next step. Now, on the Pages screen, locate the Add button, which allows you to incorporate a new page into your site. Go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you're giving yourself a fresh canvas to create your new landing page. When you've clicked Add, you'll see several options appear. Choose the Blank Page option. This creates a brand new, empty page where you can start designing from scratch without any preset templates or unnecessary clutter. It's the perfect starting point because it allows you to shape your page exactly as you imagine. After creating your blank page, it's time to give it a fitting name. In the space provided, type in Landing Page. This will help you easily identify and manage it among other pages you create in the future. Next, look beside the landing page you've just created for a small gear icon. Clicking this icon brings more customization options and settings for your page. It's essentially the gateway to personalizing your landing page exactly how you want. Now, within these settings, a critical step is to set the landing page as your home page. To do this, simply click the option that says Set as Homepage. Doing this will ensure that anyone visiting your domain will land directly on this new page, making it the focal point of your entire website. Finally, Squarespace will ask you to confirm this action. Click on Confirm to finalize your changes. This ensures everything is locked in and your new landing page is live and functional as your website's main gateway. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and set a landing page in Squarespace to welcome visitors.